What's the meaning of coruscatingly? Coruscatingly. Coruscatingly.
Coruscatingly. Coruscatingly. Coruscatingly is an adverb used to describe something that is sparkling, glittering, or flashing in a brilliant and dazzling way. It suggests a display of radiant intensity that is vibrant, dynamic, and full of life. Imagine the way the sun reflects off a shimmering lake or the sight of fireworks exploding against a night sky. The effect of something that is coruscatingly brilliant is both captivating and breathtaking, leaving the viewer in awe of its beauty and power.